forget to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway. Be subscribed and enter school in the comments section below. Good luck! It's that time again, double feature time. This time, it's a Dora the Explorer double feature. First up, name that friend. Then, stay tuned after that story for more from the store. Dora the Explorer. Name that friend. Do you think you know my friends? Let's play Name That Friend and find out. I will tell you the things that each friend likes to do. Then you see if you can name that friend. Let's play. This friend has what we need in the rain or in the sun. If you need sticky tape or rope, then you need a friend like this one. Name that friend. Yes, that friend is Backpack. She has the things that we need. Now, see if you can name this friend. If you need to get somewhere, he's a good friend to know. From the start to the finish, he knows the way to go. Name that friend. That's it. That friend is Map. He always knows the way to go. The next one is a little harder than the others. Let's play. These friends love to perform, and they play a merry tune. When it's time to shout, "We did it!" you will see them very soon. Do you know these friends? Are they Tico and Boots? No, it's the Fiesta Trio. There is one more friend left to name, and that will be the end of the game. Who comes on my adventures every day and helps me out along the way. That's true. It's you. Dora the Explorer. More from the store. I am on my way to Abuela's house. Abuela wants to make cornbread, but she needs more ingredients. Boots and I need to go to the store to buy more cornmeal and more butter. Which way should we go? Let's ask Map. Map says to go through the nutty forest, then to the store, and then finally to Abuela's front porch. Ready? Let's go! Here we are in the nutty forest. I hear a car horn. Who would drive a car in the nutty forest? Yes, it is Tico's car horn. He is looking for nuts and acorns for his nut bread. Do you see more acorns for Tico? We helped Tico find more acorns. Then he drove us to the store. Now, where is the cornmeal? Is it near the corn? What else do we need for Abuela? Butter, yeah. Abuela needs more butter. Here is the butter. Is one stick enough? No, we need more than one. Thanks, Boots. We're almost to Abuela's front porch. Which house is hers? Yes, there is her porch. Abuela, may we please have more cornbread? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed these two stories, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.